Hey everyone, it's great to see you back again. Today, I'm going to show you how to add or use the shake effect in CapCut. Now this is very easy, so make sure to watch it till the end of the video. For this example, we are going to use two videos as we will be working on a transition effect. The first thing that you can do is you can actually split the videos and just mix them to wherever you want. You can follow me. Click the split button right here and then just split the other video so you can mix it with the other one. Now you already have a mixed video and we are going to use the shake effect for the transition. At the top left, click transitions, then go to camera. From here you will see different transitions, and for this video we will choose the shake effect. You can just drag it down like this to where you mixed both videos. Now you see this very beautiful transition. Look at that. You can actually adjust the duration of the effect. Now we're just going to add the second transition on the second part of the video that's mixed. So just drag it again like this. Now you can again edit the duration of the video right here. The longer you want it to be or the shorter you want it to be. There are a lot of effects, but personally the shake effect is my favorite since it gives me this very amazing visual transition that is very good in the eye. So we just added our third transition right here. And you can actually add more. It depends on what you want. And we're just going to add a last transition effect right here. So after editing, you can play the video from the start and actually check the video if you're satisfied with it. So it is that easy, guys, to use the shake effect on CapCut. So if you enjoyed this video and you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys.